This is the second time I've broken my key trying to open my Global Link RV entry lock, which is the OEM lock that came with my Scamp. I've decided to replace it with an aftermarket lock that hopefully is of better quality. This aftermarket lock to install on my 2020 Scamp 13 looks like it should fit okay, and it's a nice white color which matches the Scamp better. Also, it feels like it's of all metal construction. First thing I'm going to do is remove the old lock just by unscrewing it. I'm going to use just a regular screwdriver and just unscrew the four bolts holding it. But I pulled the bolts out. The front section will be able to pull right out. Now we're going to fit the new lock into the hole, and it might require a little bit of pressure to get in. I'm going to push this in all the way, and then pull it forward to seat it. You can see on the inside, you can see how the mechanism fits nicely into the same area and works. So now we just have to secure the back side of the lock and the plate here. We're going to put this little plate on to secure the door lock. We can try the lock. Looks like it works nicely. Now we're going to put this backlight on. We have to be careful that the mechanisms are aligned correctly. The hardest part of installing this lock is lining up the deadbolt slider hole and the pin mechanism for the door, as well as all these holes to screw it in. Once you get that, it's pretty straightforward. Make sure that this part is slid over this area, which is the deadbolt, and that this part is on the other side of this slider, so it'll pull the door back. This is now in the unlocked position. We're going to slide it so it matches that area here. So we're just going to line everything up. Again, make sure this is on the forward side so it pulls this door back. The second one helps to have someone holding the lock in place on the other side of the door. The lock is working. The deadbolt's working. Now that the lock's installed, I just test it. Already feels like a higher quality lock. Locking mechanism works really easily. Locks nice and easy. You have the deadbolt, works really, really well. Just remove the little blue plastic key lock protectors so we can see the shine of the steel. Another nice thing about this lock is that it comes with 4 of these keys, which are individually keyed. So there's less of a chance of having someone with the same key lock. So we can try the key out. See how nicely that works. Ooh, works very smoothly. Deadbolts in. No resistance like the last lock. Very smooth. Very smooth. Very smooth. Key works very smoothly. Little resistance.